Hello everyone, JadeNuke61 here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a blind taste test video. Today we'll be trying Pepsi Max, or if Coca-Cola tastes the same. So I got my glasses here. Today I'll be putting a blindfold over me, so I don't know which one tastes. I'm gonna put like a little piece of paper and show you which one each drink is. I'm gonna shuffle them all around to make it more exciting. Okay, guys. Coca-Cola. Oh, fizzy. Why not put it too high? Well, guys, I'm not gonna drink it because I want to keep it secret. Pepsi Max. Oh man, they put it on so tight. Hold up, guys. Okay, guys. Pepsi. Okay, don't put it too high. This is a taste test. Alright, we're up the signs. Yeah, I have a feeling, guys. I'm not really sure if the signs will stick up, but you know what? We'll try. You know what? I'll just do this. I'll just do like this, so it's all good. Anyways, guys, here we go. I'm gonna put a blindfold on myself. Okay. Okay. Guys, hold up, that was a misunderstanding. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Hold up. Okay, let's guys, I might just close my eyes for this. Alrighty, guys. I don't know what this thing is, but yeah. That has a sweet taste to it. Alright, let's try next one. Let's see what this is. This one sort of has like a flattened taste, but medium fizziness. Okay, guys, let's reveal. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this one was Pepsi. I actually knew that was Pepsi, and this one must be Coke. Yep. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed.